In this video, we will discuss the 5 best dry food storage containers on the market. After watching the video, you can decide which one is best for you. If you want to know more information on these products, don't forget to check the links in the description down below and subscribe to the channel for future updates. So let's get started. And number 1, Vtopmart food storage containers. The Vtopmart food storage containers offer a comprehensive solution for kitchen organization. With 32 containers in 4 sizes, this set provides ample storage options for a variety of dry goods. The stackable design maximizes pantry space, allowing for efficient use of every inch. These BPA-free containers are crafted from durable, food-grade plastic, ensuring longevity and safety. The clear construction allows for easy identification of contents, eliminating the need to open multiple containers when searching for specific items. This visibility promotes better inventory management and reduces food waste. The Airtight sealing system, featuring side-locking lids with silicone gaskets, keeps food fresh and protected from moisture and pests. The uniformity of the lids across all sizes simplifies cleaning and storage. The flip-top design offers convenient access to contents, making these containers practical for everyday use. Number 2. Progressive food storage container. The progressive containers are truly unique. Although the Pro Keepers could be used for storing any food item, each container in the 6-container set is designed for storing a specific dry goods product. For example, the 15-cup flour container can hold an entire 5-pound bag of flour, and it has a built-in leveler for leveling flour from a measuring cup, which easily fits into the container. The Brown Sugar Pro Keeper includes a terracotta disc that, when moistened, prevents brown sugar from hardening. The Powdered Sugar Pro Keeper has a sifting spoon, and the 2 mini containers each have a shaker for herbs, spices, or cupcake sprinkles. Progressive sells other containers for coffee, cereal, grains, and pasta separately, and each has an individual feature, such as a coffee scoop or a wide-mouth pour spout for the cereal container. The Herb Pro Keeper is ingenious. Washed herbs drain into a basket, and excess water drips into the lower part of the container, which can then be emptied through a built-in drain hole. Number 3. Shazo Airtight Spice Containers. The Shazo Airtight Spice Containers offer a practical and stylish solution for kitchen organization. This set includes 9 2-cup containers with matching lids, providing ample storage for various spices, herbs, tea, and coffee. The uniform size allows for easy stacking and efficient use of pantry space, while also contributing to a cohesive and attractive kitchen aesthetic. One standout feature is the Airtight locking system, which creates a reliable seal to preserve freshness and prevent odor transfer between stored items. This makes the containers particularly suitable for aromatic spices and herbs. The inclusion of 9 white spoons matching each container adds convenience for measuring and dispensing. The containers are crafted from BPA-free, stain-resistant material, ensuring food safety and long-lasting use. The easy pour corners are a thoughtful design element, minimizing spills during use. Maintenance is straightforward, with the containers being dishwasher-friendly and the silicone gaskets easily removable for thorough cleaning. Number 4. Airtight Food Storage Container. The Airtight Food Storage Container set from Chef's Path offers a comprehensive solution for kitchen organization. This 24-piece collection provides a variety of sizes to accommodate different storage needs, from small snacks to bulk ingredients. The clear, BPA-free plastic construction allows for easy content identification, while the 4-sided design adds a modern touch to any pantry or kitchen. One of the standout features is the airtight locking lids, which effectively preserve the freshness of both dry and liquid foods. This versatility makes the containers suitable for storing everything from flour and cereal to soups and juices. The inclusion of reusable chalkboard labels and a marker is a thoughtful touch, allowing for easy labeling and relabeling as needed. The stackable nature of these containers maximizes storage space, making them ideal for small kitchens or crowded pantries. Their durability ensures long-lasting use, while their dishwasher-safe design simplifies cleaning. Number 5. Rubbermaid Food Storage Container. The Rubbermaid container is the best plastic food storage container for refrigerating, freezing, and reheating food because of its durability, ease of opening, closing, and 100% airtight seal, thanks to a thick, built-in silicone gasket. Other than size and shape, there's no difference between the Brilliance all-purpose containers and the Brilliance dry food storage containers that we tested for this review. The dry food set is, however, better suited for pantry storage, taking advantage of vertical space with taller containers. The 8-piece set, each lid counts as a piece, includes a 9.25-inch tall 16-cup container that holds a 5-pound bag of flour, a 12-cup container for sugar, a 9.25-inch tall and narrow 6.6 cup container for pasta, and a squat, rectangular 3.2 cup container. All products pricing and updates mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Stay updated with our excellent product and makes your life much easier. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Thank you.